Welcome, so today I am with XIAOMI Pad 5 and I'm going to show you a couple camera tricks. So when we are in the camera application like that, when we click and hold the shutter just like that, we can record the short video. As you can see right here at the top, it's recording to the 15 seconds, and the same when you click and hold the volume up or down button. Just take a look. And when you click once on the volume button, it will be 2 seconds of shutter delay. The same when you tap on the volume down button. And right now I'm gonna show you how you can change this feature of the volume and the shutter hold feature. So you have to tap on these three lines to enter the settings. And next we can find volume buttons function right here. So as you can see, currently it's set up on the shutter countdown, but we can change, for example, for the volume, for the zoom, and the same for the press and hold shutter button. It's set up to the record video, but we can switch to take the burst shot. So right now, when I click and hold this shutter, I can take to 100 photos. When I open the gallery, and when I tap on this icon, wait, it's not appears on the screen. Okay, I'm just curious about it. Okay, there it is. We have to tap on this icon and we can take a look on all of these photos. As you can see, it looks just like short video when we swiping like that from the right to the left. So you can tap on this X, on this, oh, I just forgot the word, oh, this mark, okay. On this mark in the right bottom corner, and you can select only this one photo that it's selected. Actually, you can keep, for example, the 3 photos. Oh, I just turn it off. As you can see, but you can also keep all photos, so we can decide. Okay, it's processing, so we have to wait. And there it is. As you can see, we can find here only these 3 photos and the rest is turned off. And there was this option with the holding shutter, but when we press the volume up and down button, we can smoothly zoom in. As you can see, we can zoom to the 10 times, and also we can zoom out by pressing volume down button. Okay, and if you want to change color and the temperature, you can tap right here on this button, and in this place, as you can see, we can find a few presets, and there is actually a lot of them. So if you want to take photo with this one, just select, click on the shutter, and that's the photo. As you can see, the colors looks a little bit different from what we have in front of us in the real world. That's how the photo looks. Not that bad, honestly, for the 13 megapixel matrix. Okay, but let's turn it off and let's go for the normal. It's right here. It's called the nature. No, but that's weird. I mean, I cannot scroll just like that. Okay, let's go for the normal one. So that was it from this mode. So we can also quickly increase or decrease the brightness level by tapping on the screen and moving this sun icon just like that. To make it automatically, tap on the screen. It works also in the video mode. And these filters you can also apply right here in this video mode. So that's cool that you can record video with the different color and the temperature on this device. Actually, there's a lot of different features that you can find in this camera application. So it looks very good. But the last option, we can go for the settings, and when we are here, we can, for example, turn off this shutter sound by tapping right here. So when you click on the shutter, we cannot hear that sound anymore. You can also modify this sound. So if you want to get this notification that you just take photo, or you can simply enable the shutter sound, go for the customize, and here you can pick a few different sounds. Let's stay with the retro. As you can hear, the shutter sound has changed. And one more option, I think it's useful in the tablet. It's called focus and the shot. It's right here. So when you click on the screen and double tap, the photo will be taken. So when you cannot reach this bottom shutter, you can just tap on the screen once to focus and another time to take photo. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.